So I forgot to film an intro, but cue to the fastest voiceover you'll ever hear. Hey guys, what is up? So first, my brows are done. I'm carving them out using this concealer that is awful. I do not recommend it. It's awful. And then I'm going to the Rose Gold Remastered palette by Huda Beauty, and this formula is amazing. These shadows blend out perfectly, and it's just an amazing palette. Now I'm going into the Too Faced Chocolate Gold, which you know is one of my favorites, and putting that Drippin' Diamond shade on my lid. This is the best silver eyeshadow I have come across yet in my days of makeup. Now I popped on some eyeliner and lashes, and I'm going into foundation and a sheer coverage, not a full coverage. I know, who am I? Then some full coverage concealer, of course, my favorite concealer of all time, the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. And I'm just going to blend that out, and I use a beauty blender instead of my brush. I don't know why, I just have been recently. Then I'm going to set my face using some of the Fana powder. After that, I'm going to contour using the Ellie contour kit, but I'm actually using the bronzer here, even though I wanted to contour. Then using a Wet n Wild highlighter, which is, look at that, best highlighter, love it, love the highlight shine. Then taking the melted matte and setting my face. And yeah, that is it for this makeup tutorial. Stand out this fall with this one-of-a-kind makeup tutorial that's not a gold pumpkin lip. Yeah, I said it. Heh. All right, well, my lipstick looks crazy, so please don't judge. But yeah, that's it for the video. Bye.